In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a distribution list in Microsoft Outlook, also known as a contact group. This is a really useful skill to have, especially if you need to send emails to a group of people frequently. A distribution list allows you to streamline communication, making it easier to reach out to multiple contacts all at once. So, let's get started. First, you need to log in to your Outlook account. Navigate to the Outlook login page, which is part of the Microsoft 365 suite. You might already have it bookmarked, or you can find it by searching for it in your web browser. Once there, click on the Sign In button. This will lead you to the Sign In page, where you should enter your credentials, your email address and password. If you're using your personal device, you might want to click Keep Me Signed In for easier access in the future. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Outlook homepage. This is where all your emails reside, but today, our focus is on groups. Look for the Groups section, which is usually located on the left-hand pane of your homepage. Click on this section to reveal any existing groups you might be a part of. Now, once you're in the Group section, you need to select a specific group. This could be an existing group that you want to add more members to. Click on the group name you'd like to manage. If you find that you're unable to see a list of groups, make sure you're in the correct account or have the necessary permissions. Once inside the group settings, look for an option that says Add Members. This feature is what you'll use to expand your current distribution list. When you click Add Members, you'll be presented with a menu or a pane where you can enter the email addresses of the people you wish to add to your group. You can add multiple emails at once, which makes the process efficient and straightforward. After you've added all the desired contacts, save your changes by clicking the Save or Add button, depending on your version of Outlook. This step finalizes the additions and updates your distribution list with the new members. There you have it. You've successfully created and managed a distribution list in Outlook. This tool should make your communication much simpler and faster, allowing you to send out emails to multiple recipients in a click. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!